Welcome friends, welcome to Smart Guru YouTube channel. In environmental studies, we are going to learn about Unit 3, Our Needs, Lesson number 3, Our Shelter. So, let's start. Our shelter. All living things need a shelter to protect themselves from cold, heat, and rain. We live as a family in our homes. The family members rest and live together in the comfort of their homes. The house should be kept clean. There should be plenty of light and air in the house. It should be well furnished with the necessary things like beds, cupboards, tables, chairs, and sofas. Kind of houses. We can build different kinds of houses. One, tent. A tent means a house made of thick cloth like canvas, poles, and cords. Second, hut. A hut means a house made of mud and grass. The walls are made of mud and the roof is thatched with leaves or grass. Third, chawl. Chawl consists of small houses built in a row. We find them in towns and cities. Fourth, block. A block is a building with a multiple story which are divided into flats. Fifth, skyscrapers. Skyscrapers are found in cities. They are 30, 40 or even more storied building. Sixth, bungalow. A bungalow is an independent building which has many rooms. Kinds of houses. Tents are used for temporary stay. Huts are small houses which are not very strong. Chawls, blocks, skyscrapers, and bungalows are big and permanent houses. To build permanent houses, we need stones, timber, bricks, tiles, sand, cement, and steel rods. From where do we get the building materials? Bricks and tiles are made from clay. Then they are sent to the brick kiln to be baked. Sand is brought from the sea, rivers, and canals. Cement and steel rods are brought from factories. We get timber from the trees. Doors and windows are made from the timber. Who built the house? The architect draws the plan of the house. The mason builds the walls of the house. The carpenter makes the doors and the windows. The blacksmith makes the iron frames or grills of the windows and the latches of the door. The plumber fits the taps, the toilets, and the wash basin. The electrician fits the lighting, fans, plugs, and switches. How should we keep our house? The house should be swept daily. It should be mopped well. The toilets and the bathrooms should be kept clean always. The house should look neat and tidy. Remember, all living things need a shelter live in. Human beings live in houses. We are safe and protected in a house. Tents are meant for temporary stay. Huts are small, weak houses. Chawls, blocks, skyscrapers, and bungalows are big and permanent homes. Many workmen are needed to build permanent houses.